This problem is like number 6 on your quiz. It's a little more complicated than number 5. The first thing we notice, 7 is we have a radical on the top of our fraction to start. The other thing is that 12 we can break down. So what we want to do first is simplify the denominator if we can. 12 is 4 times 3, and 4 is 2 times 2. So we can break down 12 to radical 3. 7 doesn't give us any pairs, so we leave it in the numerator. Now the next thing we need to do is get rid of the radical in our denominator. Once we simplified, which we did already, now we need to get rid of the radical. So this is just like number 5. Our radical that we need to get rid of is radical 3. So we're going to multiply the bottom. And if we multiply the bottom of our radical, we have to do that to the top as well. And we just multiply across. 7 times 3 is 21, so that's going to go under the radical. And we have a 2 on the outside of the radical, so that needs to stay on the outside. We have radical 3 times radical 3 is square root of 9. So, bringing this down, we can't do anything with our square root of 21. You can try to break it down, but that's just 7 times 3. It doesn't give you any pairs. What we can do is the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3. Again, anytime we say the square root of something is something, you get rid of the radical altogether. So our denominator is 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. Again, we simplified. We rationalized, getting the radical out of the denominator, and then we simplified again.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.